Amigas, let's make a Parmesan chicken Caesar sandwich. This one is huge, it's crunchy, and the inside is juicy. Are you ready to make this? This is a perfect lunch for you and your family. Let's make it, come on. Things first, amigas, we're going to season up our chicken. For this recipe, I'm using boneless chicken thighs. Normally people use chicken breast, but I want it super juicy, so I just go with the boneless chicken thighs. We're gonna season the chicken with some chicken seasoning, garlic powder, garlic butter seasoning from Blackstone, and a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna give it a good mix. We're gonna crack both of these eggs so we can whisk them together and dip our chicken in it. Excuse the whisk, it bent a little. We're fine. Now let's dip our chicken into the egg wash, the flour, back into the egg wash. Now our breadcrumbs. And now our chicken is ready. Now we need to start letting our oil heat up, amigas. So let's set this on the griddle. We're gonna fill it up about halfway. We're gonna set the griddle on medium high. That way our oil gets nice and hot for when we dump in our chicken. Once the bread crust has browned a little bit, amigas, we can give it a flip. It's been frying for about 5 minutes. Now we can let it fry for maybe 3 more minutes. For our Parmesan chicken Caesar sandwich, amigas, we need to chop up some lettuce.
Can you say that 5 times fast?
Parmesan chicken Caesar salad, salad. Lettuce is going into the bowl now, amigas. And we want this super saucy, so let's add our Caesar dressing in there. Y que no nos falte el Parmesan cheese.
Is this like Olive Garden? Say when?
Yes, say when, babe.
Wow, we're going through the whole Parmesan then.
No, we need some for the end. The cheese is in, now we can give it a good mix, amigas. I love Caesar salad dressing. Let's give it a taste. Yep. Yeah, this is good. The chicken is almost ready. It's crispy. If this doesn't have that crunch, amigas, fire me. It better have that crunch. I think it's gonna be crunchy. Do you think it's gonna be crunchy?
I think so. Are you saying that I'm gonna fire you?
No, I'm gonna fire myself. So you have to take over and I'll be the camera girl. How's that?
I'm not comfortable with this situation right now.
The chicken is almost ready, amigas, so we have to start toasting up our garlic bread. I bought this bread at Walmart. It already has garlic on it. We're just making a nice and simple lunch. So it's this huge loaf right here, bigger than my head. We're gonna cut our bread in half, amigas, so we can put it onto the griddle and get it nice and toasty. I set the griddle on low because I don't want this to burn. I just want it to get that crisp. So you gotta keep an eye on it. Wait, I lost track of my bread. Come on. Oh.
We got another one. What happened?
It burned. Oh my gosh, some of it.
That's your part.
No, I'm gonna scrape it off. I told you guys to keep an eye on it. Why didn't you remind me? Let's get it off the griddle. It has a little bit of color, a lot of color. The chicken is nice and crispy. Let's get it off the griddle, amigas, and set it on the cutting board. Let's check to see if it's crispy. Dude, this is perfect. I'm gonna slice it in little pieces so we can add it to our bread. Before adding our chicken, I'm gonna add a layer of the Caesar salad at the bottom of the bread. Now we can add our chicken, just a little more of the Caesar salad. And for the finishing touches, some more Parmesan cheese. Because I love me my cheese, baby. Don't be scared, tell me when.
Keep going.
Tell me when. There, I'm tired. And our Parmesan chicken Caesar sandwich is ready. I'm ready to enjoy this. Let's try it. It's so good, I'm about to cry. You need to make this. Babe, are you ready to try it?
Yes.
Here. Careful. Chicken falling everywhere.
Right.
Dude. Amigas, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any recipe ideas that you want to see me cook, let me know in the comments. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye, amigas. Love you guys.